Mark Campbell here with 5 minutes of practice on 5 beats. 5 triplet beats. Triplets counted as 1-ender, 2-ender, 3-ender, 4-ender, 5-ender. I don't use 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 5 triplet because I find that hard to say. George Crumb's time signature there, 5 crotchets, and that's because 5/4 would mean 5 quarter notes, and there are 5 beats in a bar, so these are 5/5. So crotchets, there's my structure for practice, honing in, keeping some measure of what I'm doing, breaking it down, slowing it down, putting it into context, recording it, and listening back. There we are. My favourite version of this is the 5/4-3-2-1. Which is the fundamental rhythm behind Take 5 from Dave Brubeck with Joe Morello. Joe plays a much more ornamented version, but it's essentially 5/4-3-2-1, selecting out those triplets. 1, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. You can reverse that. Retrograde, I think. Retrograde. I think. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's really unusual. My brain tries to lapse into the more conventional versions. So that's what I'm practicing. My focus practice is on that reversed 5/4-3-2-1. So you get for a dense pattern expanding out to the end of the bar. My other favourite is 3/3-3-2-2-2. So you've got the pattern 1, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first 3 beats are on that pulse, 1, 2, 3. The next 3 comprise a 3/2 polyrhythm. So you get 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you get that right, left, right, left, 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 right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, 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 left, right, left, right, right, right. That's how I remember that pattern. It's the triplet feel, 1 and 2 and 3, and then 3 on one hand. That can be reversed as well. So you get 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the other one in yellow there is 5/5-5, which is a symmetrical rhythm. Forwards and backwards, it's the same, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 1. And that's 5 minutes up. So there's lots to work on in that 5-beat area. I didn't even touch on going up the note tree from 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 to 16th triplets. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 and playing exactly the same note patterns as the quaver version, quaver triplet version. They double the tempo and they make a great rhythmic pattern moving from one to the other using the same shape but just effectively a rhythmic octave higher. You get some pretty crazy kind of feels and great fodder for fills and chops that you can make up on the spot rather than regurgitating long practiced, strict sticking patterns. So this is about developing that idea of moving through the note values, playing rhythms forwards and backwards and grouping them, all with the reference of the basic subdivision of the bar, which allows you to move around when you're playing rather than playing a chop that will sound great, but it's really hard to place it and move it and morph it if you've practiced it as a chop rather than what makes that chop work. So this is about dissecting and reassembling and thinking about a matrix that makes up a rhythm rather than a chop made up of shapes and forms that refer only to each other and perhaps the tempo and the note value, but in a very dilute sense. So that's the matrix of 5. I hope you liked it, and I will be doing a lot more on this down the track, including a focused version of the reversed 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 and how it's linked to the symmetrical 5 5 5 3 times 5, and working on that unusual note within the triplet, which is the second one, one and or one trip. The Purdy shuffle makes use of that. That little ghost note on the snare. Is the poor relation in the triplets. But if you can utilize it, it's really powerful, and it's within the 5 5 5. 1 2 3. That last one there. Anyway, that's it from me. I'm going to end this Zoom recording. Have a listen back. If it's any good, it'll be up on Zoom. And I'm going to have a cup of tea and analyse myself playing and see how I went. Next time I do this, it'll be ever so slightly better. See you in the next one. Bye.